Hello, namaste, and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena, and today I will discuss about risk management framework. Risk management plays a very important role in cybersecurity because it just give us the theoretical, we can say, concept about uh, what exactly the risk associated with the resource what we are using in our company, how much valuable it is. If something will happen to it or somebody will misuse it, what will be the impact on our company's reputation, on our company's monetary point of view, or how much it can damage to our organization. Okay, so the risk management will give us a broader picture to see the importance of all the aspect of our company. Okay, and what exactly it is, how we can say configure, or what are the steps involved in into risk management framework, because framework will give us the certain steps, procedures, methods, process which we can follow and can get the better result, a systematic way of doing things. So what comes into the first step? First step is categorization of information system. Whatsoever the devices or resources, processes, manpower, each and everything, they think like what involves in information system, and each and everything just categorize. And after the categorization of each and everything, uh, we also associate the value of those categorization. What exactly is the objective of dividing those categorization? Which is critical, which is just important, which is just for public use, private. So we are categorizing, and what is the objective behind of those categories? Because it is the initial stage, and at the initial stage, if our first step uh, will be powerful, clear, objective will be clear, then next step uh, is just based upon the previous one, and we will take the next step in the right direction. And if our first step under foundational level will not be clear, next step what we are going to take, it will not serve our purpose. It's just wastage of the time, resources. So that in the first stage, see in a broader way what exactly the resources you are having, whether that's tangible or the non-tangible. Consider each and everything and then categorize in a proper section. And after that, we say, okay, these are a categorization. It's our critical data, it's our private data, it's important, it can be available to the public. So as per those categorization, you say, now we need to decide who can have access on it, which process, application, softwares, a human, who can have access on it, and what their limitation, what the access boundary we need to provide to those resources or those categories. Then you here select the security control, limiting to access whatever the categories we have defined. Now, okay, we decide theoretical, and then we'll check how we are going to implement. And at this stage, whatever the security control you decide, you made some policies, and on the behalf of those, you implemented those security controls. For example, say for password policies, it should be changed after 3 months. It should have the 10 character, which can be your alphabet, numerical, special character, some sort of uh, capital letter. So just you defined it and then you implemented it. I'm just giving him very simple example to understand. So similar way, you just say, okay, this is our uh, web server, and on that web server, who can have access? Might be someone is uh, need to write the articles or need to write some content, and they need not to have the lot of right on the particular web server on the website. And then we are saying, okay, just you are only having the right for content writing, okay, and for the admin who can do maximum of the things, okay, or just for taking the backup, might be just we have assigned some other person who can just take the backup or the restore the backup. So it's depend upon whatever the restrictions we want to put on our resources. So here just we are going to implement, and after implementation we will check, okay, now we just implemented the security control, whether it's working properly or not. What's the objective we have decided, whether that's behaving as per our objective or not. Then you need to assess it. So just we are assessing, we are checking it whether that's working properly or not. After just checking it, you are saying now these security controls will work fine, and now it's time to just authorization on of information system. Now this specific person at that level, on the low level, medium level, high level, this is the person who is responsible to manage certain tasks, and now they need to do it in a proper way, and he is or she is responsible for performing that task. So on a complete information security information system, we are giving the authorization, who, whether that's application services or the person or the system, what they can do, okay, and as per their right, that's authorization is just given. Now whatsoever the security controls or the authorization you have implemented, now you are monitoring each and everything properly, so that you can sure, yes, whatsoever the decision we have taken in the first step as per the objective of our company, now is it fulfilled or not, where we are lacking, what the thing is not working as per our expectation, where we need to improve, because it's not fixed, it's changing. Some new updates will come, some new devices you are placing in your existing network, some new services you are emerging, new employees at different locations, might be your company acquired some other different location, so you need to give some access to that location, or you want to merge that certain branch into existing network. So it's depend upon whatsoever the changes will be in our organization, it just keep changing, and you need to keep monitoring on this. So this was a risk management framework, and it's very important to understand whatever the devices resources we are using, what the control we are implementing, what access right we are giving, whether that's working properly or not. Keep monitoring all these things. See you in the next session, and also follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share that session with your friends, group members as well, so that they can understand about security, sorry, risk management framework. Namaste.